go in that allows me to sink in on that subscap. Then I back out. I've already done the palpation, I've already found all that, and then I'm going to put that muscle in that shortened position, and my depth is going to be just a very slight drop in with my body weight, maybe about 4 or 5 ounces of pressure, and then my tension is going to be a lean straight across, and that's loaded up. We're going to put in a little more shortened position, and what you're going to do is slowly start to drop that in just like that. And you're going to go very slow, very precise. When you feel it start to pull, now you're going to shift your body around and you want a traction with that, and you're not in a rush. You're getting that to open up. You're leaning in with more of that tension.